I mean, we use the word culture, but let's face it, right? The generation of customers, okay, that are out there today, growing up with technology and having the ability to control a lot of that technology right at their fingertips. That's really what you're trying to accommodate, right? You don't want someone to come into your company, as an employee and have them not have that same experience, right? Not have them engage with technology the same way they can engage at home or anywhere else out in the market. So that's what we're trying to get to and be for that customer, and we're doing that, right? Because today, right, with the proactive nature that we're creating within our products, proactive nature, right? That's the DEX. That's having all that intelligence to engage the customer with empathy and with a proactive approach to giving them a solution to whatever issue they have, right? So it's empathy to what they're going through and then proactively providing them with a fast, reliable solution to whatever, experience they're calling in on. So I think that's our goal, and I think ITSM is evolving to that because, again, of the amount of information it's able to collect, right, and use with all of the AI and ML that we're applying to it to really create that more proactive experience with a very intelligent, very tech-savvy customer that we have both in and outside our company. And that is happening. That's the culture, if you will, that I see, that I'm engaged with, and we want to make sure our products can satisfy.
Yeah.